Frank, this is Sean Easton at Tameron Honda. I want to thank you for your recent internet inquiry. I know you didn't specify a specific vehicle. I know you want a sedan or a truck. As you can see, we have over 400 vehicles here. We have a large supply, and we have a large supply in inventory. We have every vehicle, every specification that you actually need. We have it. I'll get you the best deal in town on that vehicle. And plus, with your trade, we're in desperate need of trade-ins. We most definitely will take your car and give you top dollar for it, up to 110% of the Keller Blue Book value. I just need your face in the place. I need you to come on in so I can roll out the red carpet for you, make it easy for you. I'm gonna do all the work. You just sit back and relax. I'm gonna get you the best deal in town and get you the most for your trade. Give me a call at area code 334-224-2076. Again, my name is Sean Easton. I'm here at Tameron Honda. If you can't reach me on my cell, call me here at the office at area code 205-823-3333. Until then, God bless and have a blessed day.